Story time with foxes. Ooh, story time with foxes. Ooh, story time with foxes. Hello, I'm Jules.
Hello, I'm Wilder.
And we are the Foxes. And welcome to Storytime with Foxes. Today we have a very special book for you. It is called the Forever Friends Club. Let's dive right in and read our book, shall we? Forever Friends Club. Once, a little bunny sat in the dentist's chair. He said, "My tooth is wiggly. Does it need repair?" "No," said the dentist. "Baby teeth fall out. A new tooth has started growing, surely without a doubt." This news upset the bunny. He was proud of his front teeth. He asked, "Can they be saved? I don't want more underneath." His mother's words were helpful, simple yet quite wise. "Your grown-up teeth are stronger. They're of a different size." One day, he moved his tongue to give his tooth a jiggle, but looking in the mirror just made him smile and giggle. "Mommy," he yelled, "my tooth is gone and I am very glad." But Bunny's brother laughed at him. He felt really sad. His mother said, "Why are you sad if someone laughs at you? Find your happy thoughts inside, not outside of you. It happens to me and everyone. Go out and have some fun. Let's throw a ball or eat some grass and hop and skip and run." Without his tooth, he was so scared that folks would look and see. Glum, he sighed and hung his head as he sat beneath a tree. A fallen mango hit his crown as he wondered what to do. Then once again a mango fell, and that one bonked him too. "Who is it?" yelled the bunny. He looked up in the tree. "Who's up there dancing in the leaves, throwing mangoes down on me?" A naughty little monkey sat laughing in the leaves. "Is it still you, the cheeky monkey, who wants to pester me?" Instead of getting angry, the bunny hatched a plan. "I won't get mad. I won't be sad. I'll make friends if I can." "Please," he said politely, "come down and talk with me. It's difficult to make new friends if you hide up in a tree." The cheeky monkey grabbed some leaves from tree limbs beneath. The bunny was amazed to see he too had missing teeth. No longer did he feel alone. His friend was toothless, but still cheery. Perhaps the two of them could start a club to make the days less dreary. The bunny and the monkey put posters on some trees. "If you have lost a baby tooth, then come and join us, please." Spike the hedgehog saw the sign while digging in the shrub. My tooth is wiggly as can be. May I please join your club?" Next to join was Frisky Squirrel, living in a tree. Right behind him, Funny Giraffe, stretching his neck to see. They made a sign and raised it for their message to be seen. Way high atop a post, in letters large and green. "Forever Friends Club." "Let's have some fun," said Funny Giraffe. "Maybe picnic by the pool?" "I'll bring a camera," the bunny said. "We'll swim to keep us cool." "Some yummy food," said Cheeky Monkey. "Mangoes from the tree." Let's eat worms," another said. "Oh, please, no worms for me."
Who said no worms for me?
Well, I don't know. Did you want to eat the worms or no?
No, I don't.
The newfound friends enjoyed themselves. They swam, they danced, they jumped, till Hedgehog cried, "Oh my, it seems I've just been bumped." It was a baby elephant whose ears were huge and pink. He said, "I lost my tooth, so I can only drink." The baby elephant was glad. He splashed and pranced around. He jumped and played with his new friends in the club that he had found. Drowsy Sloth crawled slowly there. It took most of the day, but he was keen to join the fun, to have some friends and play. They welcomed Sloth, except the squirrel, who was playing in the pool. All full of verve, he thought the sloth was very far from cool. But then he saw the sloth had skills. He was showing them kung fu. He'd been wrong to judge the sloth and cheered aloud, "Yahoo!" Taking turns in photos. "Say cheese," they yelled, "and smile." The friends made funny faces and laughed for quite a while. "To lose our baby teeth is fine. It happens," said the bunny. "But when your friends are different too, you don't feel sad or funny." The friends laughed hard and played in groups until the sky grew dark. They promised they would meet again the next day at the park. They left the sign high on the post for everyone to see, because Forever Friends Club was the funniest place to be. What do you think, my fox?
Great.
Great. I thought it was great too.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. You want to read it again? Okay. Absolutely. What was your favorite part?
I I like going in the pool. The pool, so I like the pool part.
Oh, yeah. Would you go in the swimming pool if you were part of their club?
Yeah.
Me too. I think I would go in the pool too. Yeah.
I would.
Yeah. Well, hey, we're going to read the Forever Friends Club again. And if you want to read along with us, you can just rewind the video and watch the whole thing all over again. And if you like what you see here, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you really like it, go ahead and click like and share it with your friends, because we are going to read you a whole bunch more stories. Thank you so much for watching Storytime with Foxes. Storytime with the Foxes. Mwah.